Everyone, let me introduce. Shit. Hello everyone, it's me introducing myself.
My name is Galang Satriagawan and my friend.
Farel Alfat. This time I will explain the material included software, operating system and hardware.
Software and Operation System. Explanation of software and operating system. Explanation. Software and operating system are essential components of any computer system. Software refers to the program and instructions that tell a computer what to do, while operating systems are the core software that manage the computer hardware and enables other software to run in an SSI ranks between the user and the hardware, providing a platform and application in other program to interact with the system. Software. Software or software is a series of instructions or programs that control how computer hardware operates. Software does not have a physical form, but can be accessed and used through hardware such as computers, mobile phones, and other devices. Software helps users interact with hardware and perform various tasks such as typing documents, creating presentations, or playing games. Here are some important points about software. Function software is a liaison between the user and the hardware, translating user comments into instructions that can be understood by the computer. Type software can be divided in various types such as operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, application, Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, and antivirus firewall. In fact, software is very important for the functioning of the computer. Allow various activities and processes to be carried out automatically and efficiently. Example. Some common examples of software are Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Chrome, and many more. Nature software does not have a physical form, unlike hardware which has physical components that be seen and touched. Operating system definition example some common examples of software are Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Chrome, and many more. Nature software does not have a physical form, unlike hardware which has physical components that be seen and touched. Function. The main function of the operating system is a link between hardware and software. Managing resources. The operating system manages memory, process, and hardware to ensure optimal computer performance. Providing a user interface. The operating system provides a graphical inter or command line interface so that users interact with the computer as running program. The operating system loads and runs programs designed by user. Controlling hardware. The operating system controls hardware such as the CPU, hard disk, and printer. Managing file. The operating system manages file and directs, including correction, deletion, and modification. Assisting program transition. The operating system provides facility and services as editor and debugger to assist program, protect data and security. The operating system helps protect data from damage and users access, monitoring and optimizing programs. The operating system monitors the performance of the system and helps optimize it, performing basic operations. The operating system performs basic operations such as input, process, output, and stores. Example: 1. Microsoft Windows, 2. Macintosh, 3. Linux, 4. Android, 5. iOS. Relationship between software and operating system. An operating system is a type of software that serves as the foundation for a computer. The OS acts as an intermediary between hardware and application software. The OS manages hardware resources as CPU, memory, and disk, and provides interface for user to interact with computer. Consolidation. The consolidation of software and operating system is software is a set of instructions that perform certain tasks, while operating system is a type of software that manages of and control hardware and provides service for other software. Without operating system, hardware can function optimally.
Okay, the next talk about the hardware. Hardware explanation about the hardware. Hardware definition. Hardware is all the physical component of a computer system that can be seen and touched. This is different from software which are digital and cannot be touched. Hardware include all the real devices that support the running of a computer system, such as CPU, RAM, monitor, and keyboard, and hard disks. Hardware is general as physical device or physical component that form an sonic system. Such a computer hardware is different from software, which, which is a program of instruction that run the hardware. Hardware can be seen and touched, while software does not the physical form. Here are the important points about the hardware. Definition: hardware is a physical component that form an electronic system, such, such as a computer, laptop, and smartphone. Type: hardware can be divided into several categories, such as input device, keyboard, mouse, output device, monitor, printer, processing device atau CPU, and storage device, hard disk. Function: hardware functions as a medium for running software and allows user to interact with the system. Example: common example of the hardware include CPU, RAM, motherboard, hard disk, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and etc. Network hardware. Networking hardware is a physical device used to connect computer device in a network. This device serves to facilitate communication and data transfer between devices in the network. Example of the hardware usage: home network, routers, switches, modem, and network cable are used to connect the computer, smartphone, and other devices in the home network. Office network, routers, switches, and network cable and used to connect computer, printer, and servers in the office network. Internet network, modern routers, and other devices are used to connect computer to the internet. Peripheral hardware. Peripheral hardware refers to external device that expand a system functionally while not intended for basic operation. Peripheral significantly extend user experience and productivity. These are the typical accessories or add-ons mostly related to computer hardware. such as input device, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Output device, printer, monitor, and speaker. External storage, USB device, external hard device. Computer hardware component. Motherboard, this is printer, circuit board, the school, the central processing unit, to CPU. And other essential internal hardware and function as the central hub that all the hardware component run on. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that processes and executes digital instruction from various programs. It's a clock speed determines the computer performance and efficiency in processing data. RAM. RAM or dynamic RAM is the temporary memory storage that makes information decoded easily accessible in programs. RAM is the operation memory, so storage data is clear when the computer power off. Hardware, hard disk device, physical storage device that stores both permanent and temporary data in the different format, including program, UCS, device files, photo etc. Solid state drive. We got SSD. SSD are solid state storage device based on NAND flash memory technology. SSD are the non-volatile, so they safely store data even when the computer is powered down. Optical drive. Optical drives typically resident in the device by they enable the computer to read interact with the non-magnetic external media, such as compact disc read-only memory or digital video disc. Let's see, this a passive piece of the hardware that draws heat away from component to regulate, reduce their temperature to help ensure they continue to function properly. Typically, a heatsink installed directly atop CPU, which produces the most heat among internal components. Graphic processing unit. This chipset-based device processes graphical data and often functions as an extension to main CPU. Network Instrument Card atau NIC. The NIC is a circuit board or chip that enables the computer to connect to a network, also known as network adapter or local artifact adapter. It typically supports connection to an internet network. Hardware component. Mouse is a hand-pointing device that moves a cursor around a computer screen and enables interaction with objects on the screen. It may be wired or wireless. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device featuring a standard quintary keyset that enables users to input text, number, or special character. Microphone. A microphone is a device that translates sound waves into electronic signal and supported computer-based audio communication. Camera. A camera captures visual images that instinct to the computer or the computer network device. Touchpad. A touchpad is an input device, external or built into a laptop, used to control the pointer and display screen. It is typical and alternative to an external mouse. USB flash device. A USB flash drive is external, removable storage device that use flash memory and interfaces with a computer through a USB port. Memory card. A memory card is a type of portable external storage media, such as a computer flash card used to store media or data files. Example of output hardware. Components include monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, and projector. Device function to display data from the computer is a form that humans can understand, such image, text, or sound interpretation. Monitor. Used to display images that from the computer allowing user to see and interact with visual information. Printer. Produce a physical copy of digital data, such as document, photo, images that can be saved or shared into the phone speaker. Production or audio from the computer allowing users to listen to music, video, or the audio. Headphone with earphone. Its function is similar to speaker but provides a more personal audio experience. Projector. Display images or the text from the computer on a large screen, ideal from presentation or wider visualization.
Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.